There's a man in our town with a smile so bright, who can turn an ordinary day into something light. He sees the world a little different, but maybe that's the key, because he finds the good in people that some forget to see. When the concrete trucks rolled by, he watched them one by one, learning every detail, every job they'd done. He asked 1,000 questions, he listened and he learned, and every friendship that he made was a friendship he earned. He's the concrete truck man, with a heart made of gold, living every moment with a story to be told. He's waving at the drivers, he's cheering from the crowd, and everywhere he goes, he makes his family proud. The concrete truck man, a friend to everyone, showing us that kindness can outshine the sun. Ontario to Hesperia, his passion never faded. The dreams he carried in his heart were never complicated. Just trucks, friends, and laughter, a purpose he could share, and somehow every person left a little better there. Some people build with concrete, some people build with steel, but James built something stronger, something you can feel. A smile that keeps on giving, a spirit standing tall, reminding us that every life can make a difference after all. He's the concrete truck man, known across the land, an ambassador of friendship, shaking every hand. And when the trucks come rolling by, you can see it in his eyes, a childlike joy that never fades, a dream that never dies. The concrete truck man, the one we celebrate, because a heart that loves this much can truly make us great. So here's to James Hernandez, may his story carry on, a friend, a fan, an inspiration, and a light for everyone.